Well, that's the husband and the father there that we're listening to as far as the Chikkarpalli police, the crime police, which arrived at the Sandhya Theatre to seize critical CCTV footages as well from the night when the film was to be released, Pushpa 2, outside when it comes to chaos and a stampede-like situation that had developed. And there are certain exclusive visuals show the police gathering evidence from Wednesday night between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m. And the probe into the incident has also been intensified. So, Sumit, that means as far as footage that is being gathered onto how quickly the situation developed as far as immediately when the news came in that the actor has arrived at the venue, and thereafter it was chaos that unfolded.
Unfortunate incident, like you said, after the actor Allu Arjun has arrived there, chaos-like situation, stampede-like situation was seen. We were reporting from the ground at that time, and three people, including a woman and a son, they injured, they fell unconscious, CPR was done, and they were shifted to the hospital. But in an unfortunate incident, that woman was declared dead by the doctors, and the kid is still in critical condition, undergoing treatment at the local hospital. And when it comes to the complaint, the kid's husband has lodged a complaint with the Chikkarpalli police. They have registered a case under relevant sections of VNS Act, including homicide and also causing a grievous hurt. And after that, they have started probing into this matter. And as part of this, we have accessed the exclusive visuals, and where we can clearly see crime police of the Chikkarpalli police station. They have arrived at the Sandhya Theatre, which comes under the Chikkarpalli police station jurisdiction. There they have arrived, and they are collecting the CCTV footage. The footage
so
right now.
FIR that has been registered. The actor has been booked. His team has been booked. The cinema owners, the theatre owners have been booked, and footages are now being collected and scanned to exactly talk about how the situation unfolded when three people, unfortunately, one of them lost his life, but two of them were grievously injured during the stampede-like situation. Thank you very much, Sumit, for joining in.